1987. Chevrolet Silverado 4x4. Pickup 10,000 plus characters. The 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 pickup is much more than just a classic truck. It's a rolling testament to American engineering, restored and reimagined with meticulous care and performance enhancements that bring it into the modern era without losing its original soul. This particular Silverado has undergone a frame-off restoration, one of the most comprehensive and respected methods of revitalizing a classic vehicle. From its powerful engine to its rugged 4x4 capability, its restored aesthetic, and its thoughtfully preserved interior, this Silverado represents the best of both worlds. The heritage of old-school trucks, combined with durability, comfort, and performance that make it enjoyable and reliable today. Heritage and historical context. The Chevrolet Silverado nameplate carries a legacy rooted in toughness and versatility. In the 1980s, General Motors built trucks designed to work hard, travel confidently, and provide utility for owners in every corner of the United States. The 1987 Silverado, especially in 4x4 form, was a symbol of rugged reliability for farms, construction sites, mountain roads, country roads, and suburban life alike. Whether pulling heavy loads, navigating muddy backroads, or cruising highway miles, the Silverado was engineered to meet the demands of its driver without compromise. But this particular example elevates that legacy dramatically, because it isn't just preserved, it's reborn. Frame-off restoration, rebuilding from the ground up. A frame-off restoration is the gold standard for classic vehicle renewal. In this process, the body is unbolted from the chassis, allowing every mechanical, structural, and cosmetic component to be accessed, inspected, reconditioned, or replaced. There are no shortcuts. Every fastener, seam, panel, and underside surface is addressed systematically. In the case of this Silverado, the frame has been carefully inspected and refinished. Suspension mounting points, structural seams, and stress areas have been reinforced or restored as needed. Every area that can corrode over decades, such as body mounts, cross members, lower frame rails, and inner fender structures, has been cleaned, repaired, and refinished with corrosion-resistant coatings. The result is a truck that not only looks incredible but is fundamentally stronger, more durable, and built to remain reliable for decades to come. Engine: GM 350 CI crate EFI V8. Under the hood beats the heart of this truck. A GM 350 cubic inch, 5.7L crate. V8 with electronic fuel injection, EFI. This power plant is a perfect blend of classic displacement and modern efficiency. Chevrolet's 350 Ci small block V8 has long been celebrated for its torque, reliability, and adaptability, and in crate form. It arrives fresh, properly calibrated, and ready to perform.